Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So now guys, we're back to Edo State again. Adams Oshiomole, of course, the very last little noisemaker from that space. Guys, I bring you this. Edo, Obaseki has already accepted defeat to Ize Iyamo, a headline attributed to Oshiomole, so he's back within that space to make himself a nuisance, especially to Obaseki. Again, the headline, Edo, Obaseki has already accepted defeat to Ize Iyamo, a headline attributed to Oshiomole. So now let's now see how he explains this. Adams Oshiomole, a former national chairman of the All Progressive Congress APC, has reacted to the alleged vandalism of Pastor Osage Ize Iyamo's outdoor billboards and campaign posters by the Edo State government. The vice chairman on media and publicity of the APC National Campaign Council, Honorable Patrick Obahegbon, had accused Governor Godwin Obaseki of destroying and removing APC billboards on Thursday, 16th of July 2020. Oshiomole, reacting to the development, also blamed Obaseki for the destruction of the campaign posters. He opined that the recent move by Obaseki is a sign of accepting defeat even before the governorship election. So this is Oshiomole. He carries on his Twitter handle. He wrote, "Destroying your opponent's campaign poster is a sign of accepting defeat already, even before the election. The defeat of the PDP candidate Obaseki in Edo State will be authenticated come September 19th. Edo must move forward. The Edo governorship election is expected to hold on the 19th of September 2020. So now they're tearing down each other's campaign materials, and I am not quite sure who tore down Eze Iyamo's campaign materials, because in politics you are never sure. It could well be Obaseki that sent people to tear it down. It could be people sympathetic to Obaseki that sent people to tear it down. It could also be Eze Iyamo that tore his own campaign materials down, or people sympathetic to Ize Iyamo that tore the campaign materials down, only so that they can come out in the newspaper and make this sort of noise that they are making now. Because politics is a dirty game, it's quite filthy and quite murky, and this is the filth and muck that is playing out now. And at the heart of that, of course, rolling around with pigs is the natural go-to of Oshiomole. So you find Oshiomole in the middle and at the center of any dirty fights that is going on within the Nigerian political space. Conversations in the comment section. Oshiomole has entered the Edo politics space and is already making his usual noise. We all saw it during the last presidential election, so we know the antecedents of this guy. What says you? Come share thoughts. Edo State, Obaseki, Oshiomole, Ize Iyamo, and all that kind of goings on. Come tell me what you're making of all this in the comment section. But before you do that, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. The bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Click on like as well, because with that YouTube then promotes the videos more. So once you've done all three, come into the comment section. Come let me know, come discuss with me what you make of the goings on in Edo State. So I'll leave you here. Carry this conversation on with you in the comment section, but here I say peace.